Hello, welcome to TCL Tutorials. Thanks to Google Assistant, you can control your TV, control your world, without using any gesture. The only thing you need is your voice. Press the Google Assistant button and say whatever you want. Let's try to say, "What's the weather today in New York?" And now, how many people live in the US? Or, play my favorite music. Let's try to control installed smart devices in your home. Say, "Dim the lights." See? Easy! Thank you for watching. If you want to get more information, visit us at tcl.com.